Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how to download ChatGPT. Now you can access ChatGPT at your front screen. I will show you the easiest way to download it. Open your Play Store and then go to search bar. Search ChatGPT. Here you can see the app. You simply have to tap on Install option. After the app being installed, it will show on the home screen. Now open it. Tap on Continue. ChatGPT is an AI tool that helps answer questions, create content, and explain things in a simple way. Sign in and then you can continue easily. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it and please subscribe my channel.